the release of the digital coin AAMP in 2020 is a big deal for the whole world. This isn't because there aren't many late players in the crisis, but because so few have chosen to work from a different organization. AAMP is known to run on the Flexa organization, which uses payments as a digital token. There is also a detailed AAMP value. How does AAMP exceptional Flexa organization's local symbolic AAMP has made instant payment decisions possible, stopping the flow of trades? It is to the client's honor that they can stake and guarantee any kind of high-value trade, whether it's advanced payments or government-issued checks. Money change hands credit spread nations real estate deals are made there. You can do anything. The organization's local symbol, which was co-created by Flexa organization and agreement, has been boosted by a group of experts and donors who care about it. A thought that turned into a progressive AAMP20 token making waves on the cryptocurrency market, and similar innovation. A big plus of a VAMP is that you can set rates as the business grows, which leads to a huge increase in the number of workers supported by a strong and high-speed public blockchain platform. AAMP is an Ethereum-based token that acts as security for payments made through the Flexa organization and similar technologies. Its foundation is based on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-powered exchange, which is cross-checked without revealing any information. After that, security flaws are found through a specialized investigation. AAMP's cost has had an interesting journey since it left, which may be the main reason for its popularity. The current cost of AAMP is $0, and its market value is $156,213,685. The number of AAMP coins that change hands every 24 hours stays at 21.23,704, and there are 42,227.70,000,2186 AAMP in circulation. From what we know, the coin started out at $0 and stayed there until February of 21. After that, it suddenly went up to 3 cents and kept going up until June. On June 16, 22, it hit a record high of 12 cents, but then it dropped sharply. Things got worse for AAMP as the price kept going down. Right now, the trend is going down, but the token has shown a good recovery and is still trading around $0. By the beginning of December 2023, the price may be around $0, according to our estimate. Lease costs $0 and near the end of the month, the average cost of an AAMP is $0. In 2025, the price of AAMP is expected to reach at least 1 cent. In 2025, the most an AAMP will cost is 1 cent, and the average cost will also be 1 cent. In most of 2024, the cost of AAMPs will go down to $0, and in the last part of the year, the cost would go up to $0. The year would end at $0, which is 75% more than the current cost. Based on AAMP's known prices, our guessing system says that the price of AAMP could be about $0.2023 and that the price of AAMP could be 2 cents by the end of 2025. The vertical design was totally expected based on the advantages of AAMP Fizz security and constant quality. AAMP is a computerized insurance token that provides clear proof of collateralization for a steam move. The flow of money from financial institutions and guarantee tokens should have a further effect on the price of this security token. Financial backers in the long-haul AAMP value expectation. 2023 AAMP has set up a quick solid environment and works with the customer experience of the product. These things can help the AAMP with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $0 on the off chance that the drive for a practical AAMP crypto world go on into 2023. The AAMP price might try and see a worldview rush. And so according to AAMP cost forecast it will be good to invest in AAMP. There is no way to know for sure what the value of any of the present crypto coins will be in 2024. Considering the markets for verified information and cryptographic money, AAMP is ready to confirm areas of strength for its as a major interest among its clients, partners, and brokers in the local area. Many theories are going forward for AAMP, especially in light of the technological advances and explosive growth areas that the company plans to focus on. There is a gauge that the AAMP price could reach $0. Important safety and adaptability features have finished the gift. How much will TAMP be worth in 2025? The value of AMP has been cut by Genius. By 2025, the token will stop lagging behind other digital currencies and will be worth no more than 1 cent. As a result, merchants should look at our AMP number before investing in AMP. AMPgauge 2026 clients can look into things and remember to keep AMP in their portfolios along with other coins that can make them money quickly. This is supported by Hardy Savi gets the AMP cost. May be able to reach 1 cent before the years are over in 2026 and expectations for 2027. Specialists usually plan for long-term cost goals instead of short-term ones. They do this by being patient and keeping their standards high in the long run. Financial backers can expect a turnaround by the end of 2027, when the popularity of AMP will have grown a lot. At that point, AMP will no longer be a credible player in the world of digital currencies, but a well-prepared player is turning 1 cent AMP value. Predictions for 2028 could be encouraging if the price keeps going up. The road ahead is full of pedals, which gave the Venture Council certainty that it would continue to blast, giving the cost a big push that caused it to cross all limits and reach 2 cents. AMP value forecast 2029. If the market keeps doing well, the AMP price will break through all barriers and perform well in 2029, according to our AMP forecast. AMP value forecast 2030. By 2030, the AMP token will be worth a maximum of 3 cents and a minimum of 2 cents all year long. At the same time, the AMP crypto will be worth a maximum of 2 cents and a minimum of 3 cents. May trade for an average of 3 cents in 2030, based on what we know now. Crypto is a smart investment when money is put in at the right time and for the right reward, and as long as possible, the ticket should be worth no more than 3 cents by 2030. People actually do get confused about this because cryptographic types of money tend to be unpredictable and have high risk. It's the same with other government-issued money, but AMP has been around for a long time and is stable. Is AMP safe? Yes, AMP is safe. It is very unlikely that AMP will get hacked because it is an Ethereum-based digital token. As an AMP user, you are in charge of your own wallet and must take care of it. Falls in your area of duty. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a record-breaking cryptocurrency rally in the future months. The leading cryptocurrency in the world attained its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, surpassing $28,000 after beginning the year below $17,000. Despite the return of optimism to the crypto market as a result of traditional financial crises, the cryptocurrency market is still far from its November 2021 all-time peak of nearly